Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds with Sergio. I am your host, Sergio Cabanas, attorney at law here in Florida. Thank you for joining me today. Today's question is, Sergio, I'm about to attend a mediation, but I'm not really sure how the process works and what exactly is a mediator. Can you please explain this? Well, a mediation is basically a conference where the parties in a legal dispute and their attorneys, if there are any attorneys, will get together and meet with an independent, impartial person known as a mediator. So how is a mediator chosen? Well, normally the parties or their attorneys would choose a mediator, although there are cases where a judge may intervene to appoint a certain mediator. Now, in my opinion, the mediator can play a huge role in the case because he or she can help you resolve the entire case. Now, that's very important because if you think about it, a good mediator will basically help the parties empower themselves to help choose the outcome of the case, as opposed to letting a strange judge who may not be familiar with your needs to decide the entire case. By resolving the case at a mediation with a good mediator, he or she will help you avoid all the stress of going to trial, in addition to a substantial amount of attorney's fees to go to trial. A good mediator will control the situation and conduct the mediation in a very organized, orderly process. They usually start the mediation with an introduction, where they start to discuss their background, their education, work experience, and so forth. They do this not to impress you, but to impress upon you the fact that they are a credible source of information that should be respected, and of course all of this can help you resolve the case. Then the mediator will also set the ground rules for everybody to follow for there to be an orderly, peaceful mediation process. The mediator will then take the time to listen and understand each side, identify the issues, and look for creative, effective ways of settling the case with offers and counteroffers between the parties until an agreement is reached. If an agreement is reached, the mediator will also draft or help draft a settlement agreement along with the attorneys if there are any. And this agreement is important because it becomes a legally valid document that has to be approved by the judge later. So now that you understand the importance of having a good mediator, you should be very careful in choosing the mediator. Obviously, you want somebody who is familiar with the laws that are applicable to your case. That person would usually be an experienced attorney. Sometimes they could be a retired judge. The mediator can be certified by the Florida Supreme Court, but he or she doesn't have to be certified in order to be a mediator. The mediator could also be an attorney or a retired judge, but does not have to be an attorney or retired judge. Still, it's a good idea to find an experienced attorney, in my opinion, who is certified also as a mediator by the Florida Supreme Court. As a certified mediator, we all undergo a vigorous background check, special training and education, and that includes us observing other experienced mediators. We're also required to complete ongoing legal education requirements to ensure we stay up to date with important laws and strategies to provide the best mediation service possible. I hope this short video provided you some guidance about the mediation process and the importance of having a good mediator. Thank you again for joining me today, and as always, stay informed so you can stay strong.